All right. This is question number 37 on stoichiometry. What is the mole ratio of N2 to H2 in the stoichiometric equation for the production of ammonia? Ammonia is NH3, and you produce ammonia via a process we call Haber process. Okay, so what is the mole ratio of nitrogen, that's N2, nitrogen gas, to hydrogen, H2, in the stoichiometric equation for the production of ammonia? Can we write out that equation? Maybe that would help. So N2 plus H2 would give NH3. So I'm going to write it like this. Okay, I'm going to write it like this, and we'll balance this as 2 here and as 3 here. What we are concerned about is not whether this reaction is reversible or not. That's not really our concern. We're not even concerned about the catalyst or stuff like that should make it then proceed forward. But we are concerned about the ratio of nitrogen to hydrogen in this equation. And we can see here that 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. Therefore, the ratio is 1:3. That is the ratio of nitrogen to hydrogen. Okay. Now, before you go, there is something we call royal water. And royal water is also called aqua regia. Aqua regia. I'm just going to pronounce it that way. Where the aqua is the water and then the regia is, the royal. That's why we call it royal water. So royal water is actually a combination of 2 acids, 2 concentrated acids. The first one is conc nitric acid, that's HNO3, and also conc HCl. Okay, you mix conc HNO3 and conc HCl in the ratio 1:3. Okay, so 1 part of conc nitric acid, you're going to mix it with 1 part of conc HCl. Please don't do this mixture by yourself without, supervision, if you want to do it anyway. But the essence of aqua regia is that, it is used to dissolve substances like gold. Gold is a precious metal, and then aqua regia can dissolve gold, so it's like important. And it also coincidentally has a mixture ratio of 1:3. So that's it. So conc HCl and conc HNO3 in the ratio 3:1, or you can say conc HNO3 ratio conc HCl in the ratio 1:3. That is aqua regia, aka royal water. Did you learn something new? By the way, I've been hearing of this aqua regia a lot. So if you've also been hearing of aqua regia a lot, then this is another time to hear it again and know what it is used for, dissolving gold. And that's our answer to the question as well. And let me pause for a while here. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. So just hit the subscribe button there and subscribe. And let me know what other interesting things you would like to learn about after we finish the work on stoichiometry, guys, because we're still working on stoichiometry and we're going to 100. We're almost halfway done. If you have your own questions on stoichiometry, please add them so that we would also answer them. Okay, bye-bye.